We are excited to get you up and running on the Interplay Training Program as soon as possible. This video will show you how to get started on your first course. First, you will need to go to the website provided in your introduction email, or you are put to directly after starting your subscription. Using your provided username and password, you can log in. Once you log in, you will most likely see that you're not enrolled in any courses. Don't worry, you just started, so that makes sense. Let's click the course catalog to learn more about the training you have at your fingertips. Most people will be learning either solar or HVAC right now, but trust us, we have many more training programs in development for you. I'm going to click solar, and quickly I'm going to see the available courses. If you click on the course title, you will learn more info about the course. Estimated completion times, course descriptions, info about the author, etc. To get started, you would enroll in the course and then select Start. If you're not sure which course or courses is right for you, that's understood and could even be expected. This is why we've developed tracks. These are a series of courses curated by our subject matter experts to help you on a path to success. We highly suggest starting with a track. There will most likely be a track that aligns with your point in your career and what you're looking to get out of the training. Find the track that's right for you, click follow, then view the courses, and the first course on the track is ready to get started. Please watch the other onboarding videos as we want you to have a great understanding of all our training elements, how to get your team started and to track their progress, and even how to use the desktop app. Remember to reach out anytime with questions, issues, or feedback. Happy training!